do a tutorial with you, and I'm gonna walk through it with you. So she's already curled. We curled everything with a 1 inch. We rounded the ends because we're putting it up. We took our Sanvia, our 1 inch iron wand, and we just curled everything, then we dropped it. That's how I do the whole crown area to get that shape. Now we're gonna put it up. And because social media is really fast moving, we have to be fast about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything that we've curled just straight back. I'm gonna grab an elastic with 2 bobby pins. I'm over here now. Okay, we've got our elastic here. I just took a black one for reference. Now we're gonna take our bobby pin, so see how it hangs? If you're curious, create a little loop. We're not gonna open that pin. We want the pins to just go straight in. And then we're going to take, ooh, it's gonna move on me. Now we're gonna take both of those and voila. We have it all sectioned off just by using 2 bobby pins and elastic. We need 2 more elastics. I'm grabbing this one. We're gonna create 2 loops. 2 loops, like that. Along, you're doing a great job. You're a princess, you're magical. Okay, so now we're gonna take these loops, open them up. Then we're gonna